Hi, OH Anderson Elementary School students and families. This is Miss Prather. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I just want to share with you a little bit about our distance learning plan. So this is a little handbook that talks about what distance learning looks like. And our goal of distance learning is just how do we continue learning from home? It's going to look a little different, but some things will look the same. First of all, if you look at the top here, attendance is necessary for us to continue learning. But if your child is sick or unable to do the distance learning, you just need to call in the attendance line and report the absence. Our number is 651 407 2308. Teachers will be monitoring your work as we go, but the attendance line is going to be for formal attendance. You're going to be looking at a lot of communication coming. We're trying to streamline the communication. You'll be getting some daily communication from your homeroom teacher each day by 9 o'clock. Sometimes they might make a phone call. It could be an email for your class, a Google Classroom post, a virtual morning meeting, or a welcome video. It all could look different, but they're going to greet you each day so we can stay connected. All assignments and daily messages will be posted by 9 a.m. as well. At OH Anderson, our teachers will be using different platforms, but our main hub will be on our website, and it's going to be a distance learning Google site. And we are in process of designing this distance learning Google site, and I just want you to see what it looks like. It has a main page, a home page that talks a little bit about distance learning, what that looks like. You'll have morning announcements every day with me. So what you'll do is just click on the date and you'll see the morning announcements. And for you fifth graders that have been waiting for that 50-degree weather, I think that's going to come soon. Each grade has their own tab. So there's a third grade tab, fourth and fifth, and it'll have a learning calendar with tasks that you need to complete each day. These are the must-dos, and there might be some may-dos at the bottom of the document. Some of you might be wondering, how do you open up this document bigger? If you click on the box, there is this little up arrow here that makes the whole Google Doc come alive for you, so you can see all of the work. You could scroll down, see teachers' contact information and everything like that. On the tab, it's every grade. There's more links for specialists. The way that specialists are going to work is there'll be a specialist for each day of the week. So Mondays will be Phy-Ed, Tuesdays music, Wednesdays art, Thursdays media and tech, and Friday Spanish. And if you are in third grade, you don't have Spanish, so you get Fridays off, or you can try the Spanish challenges with the other kids. There also are technology resources, so it goes right to our Symbaloo and our media resources. Some other pieces that are in here are learning ideas and then information for families all about the coronavirus and how to talk to kids about that. And there's information from our counselors as well. So this will be the hub that will be on our website for you to see all assignments going on each day. Teachers in our school will also be using some Google Classroom, but we want that to be the hub of all learning. Some of you are asking how much learning happens in the day. We're going to start small. So we're going to be looking in the beginning of 1.5 to 2 hours of learning and kind of grow that as we go. We're going to start with mostly just reading and writing and math, and then we'll grow into some of the science and social studies as well. I have given you a sample schedule. I know all family schedules are different based on our work at home, but this is just a schedule that you could adapt based on your family needs, really balancing both the formal learning time and choice time. I did put some chore time in there because I don't know about you kids, but we need some help at home, so make sure that you're helping your parents with some chores around the house and some choice time. Technology access, if you need support, there's information here. Any accommodations and modifications for students with an IEP or a 504 or EL students would be contacted by their case manager or the school. And students, so you know your expectations every day is you need to log into school every day. You need to actively participate and follow teachers' expectations. They will be following up with you either individually if you're not doing the work or if you need extra support. We need to have regular communication with our teacher, and attendance is based on participation and the completion of assignments, so you need to know that as well. There are some links with digital citizenship. Mrs. Erlenborn has taught you all of these expectations, but for families, this might be a great thing to review, that our learning devices are used for learning. We need to make sure that we're monitoring that and checking kind of history to make sure kids are doing their best with that. A lot of you might have some questions with support. We have office hours for all teachers from 10 to 12 on Monday through Friday. Please email teachers and they'll set up if you're going to do a Google Meet or how you want to do that as well. Also, just a reminder, we have food support for all kids in Mahtomedi. Each day at OH Anderson, there is a pickup from 11:15 to 12. It's curbside right by the front door, so if you're interested in that, stop by. And child care for essential employees is here as well. Look for some technology help desk information coming soon, but this is just a snapshot of what distance learning will look like. Thank you, and we're excited to see you online each day. And kids, I miss you, and I can't wait to see you virtually. Have a great day.